How did you hear about Cove to start with?
We've been an Enable shop since I started working at Systems in 2011, and it's from our N Central product lead on our side that we found out about Cove. We're very close friends. We're in managed services team together, and he could see the pain that we were dealing with.
So I know you mentioned Veeam. Were any other solutions you were using for backup before?
Yeah, we were put up for our file backup, the service that I managed or still manage. We were using a secret, which I hadn't even heard of the product before I started working at Systems. It served us well. Much like Veeam, great enterprise products. If you're an IT support for a single entity or a couple entities, Veeam has some service provider consoles that you can integrate, but right out of the box, it's not a totally baked solution for people coming to it from our angle, which is the MSP market.
Can you tell me about any of the pain points you might have been feeling beforehand with the Secret or Veeam?
Yeah, I mean the pain points with our Veeam backup are just the sheer size of the images, and even with Cloud Connect and the efficiencies you can gain there, it's a little clunky. Reporting has been tough traditionally with both the Secret and with Veeam. Of course, Veeam's a little bit better at that. Our Secret solution, we had to hunt down for years a third-party software as a service that could aggregate logs and let you know, okay, these are your pain points. This is your wellness for your client without needing to go to the individual node layer and log into the customer's environment and check. This is all stuff that Cove right out of the box. I know where my pain points are. To be fair to Cove, how many pain points? One example that we didn't talk about is just the efficiency of whatever algorithm you use to detect change compared to other products. We've seen jobs that would take in excess of 10 hours to just calculate the delta and transfer it, and I'm seeing Cove do it in like 5 minutes. Internally, people have loved it. The technicians have loved it. Between the Enables training videos on YouTube, and just a very intuitive interface, I've been able to train about 70 techs on how to use this product with very minimal effort on my part. One, we're coming to our customer with a significantly more affordable product. The ability to run without a local storage vault where it makes sense is very attractive, and that drops a significant hardware as a service rental for an appliance on their part. I know our business developers love it. We just closed three very significant deals, new clients, but new logos, and also have sold into our own customer base when they're looking at hardware refreshes of their own Veeam, on-premise Veeam, etc. And that licensing. Like I said, everything's coming up roses with Cove. It's been a great ride so far. I love this product. I can take vacation and sleep a lot better now. Like I said, I don't just have faith that the product's gonna work. I know it works.